Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what is hands down the best maroon romper available right now. The ANRABESS Romper for Women Summer 2025. This romper perfectly blends casual comfort with a dressy vibe, making it an ideal choice for a variety of occasions. Whether you're heading to the beach, a vacation, or just want something stylish and comfortable for everyday wear. Let's start with the fabric. The ANRABESS Romper is made from a thoughtful blend of 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% elastane. This combination gives it a soft, lightweight feel with just the right amount of stretch, so it moves with you and stays comfortable all day long. Plus, the material is designed to be non-see-through, which is always a great feature in a romper. The design itself is versatile and stylish. It features a crew neck and short sleeves, keeping it simple and classic. The shorts are tailored to give a flattering shape without being restrictive, and there's a nice tie at the waist to help define your silhouette. Whether you want to dress it up or down, this romper adapts well to both casual and more polished looks. One of the standout features of this romper is how easy it is to care for. It's machine washable, which is perfect for busy lifestyles, although hand washing is recommended if you want to keep it looking fresh longer. The fabric dries quickly and resists wrinkles, so it's also great for packing on trips or vacations. Sizing is straightforward and inclusive, with options from small to XXL, covering US sizes 4 through 22. There's a detailed size chart available to help you pick the perfect fit, and the fabric's stretchiness means it accommodates different body shapes comfortably. In terms of practicality, the romper includes pockets, which is always a bonus for carrying small essentials like keys or your phone without needing a bag. The lightweight and breathable material make it perfect for summer wear, and the maroon color adds a rich, elegant touch that stands out from the usual neutral tones. Overall, the ANRABESS Romper combines comfort, style, and functionality into one affordable package. It's a great investment piece for your summer wardrobe if you're looking for something easy to wear yet fashionable. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.